Let's make dinner. What you will need: brown chicken, rice-a-roni, doesn't matter what style, black beans, also doesn't matter what bean, cats, avocado. To start, we are going to saute the rice-a-roni in a skillet. Now, as this starts to get golden brown, we're going to pour in the water along with the seasoning from the pan. I have transferred the rice into a different pan because I'm going to use that pan for the chicken. Now that the seasoning's in and this is brought to a boil, I'm going to cover it and turn down the heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now for the beans, I'm going to strain them first before putting them in the pot to cook. Yo, look at that. I did it. Took it off perfectly. Took the whole top off. That's crazy. I haven't used a can opener like this before. Perfectly took the whole top off. Got the bean juice rinsed off first. Alright, so the beans are over here. We're just gonna put them on very low heat just to let them basically just get warm. Just warm up the beans. I'll cook the pan with a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Dump in that chicken, that ground chicken. A little salt, pepper, some ground mustard, ground cumin, ground ginger. Alright, it's probably been about 15 minutes or so on the rice. Let's take a look at it. Steam! That's probably about done. Might be too done. Just leave it in for a little bit longer. So the chicken is about done. The beans are warm and the rice is runny. So let's go ahead and assemble this. Alright, so first we're going to put in the rice. Might have put a little too much water in that rice because it is quite sloppy. I kind of prefer my rice a little sloppy. And we're gonna add the beans, now some of the chicken, and to add a little bit of something to it, I'm gonna add this avocado. This tiny little avocado. I believe this is a avocado that needed a little bit more time. Yum! This is my ghetto chipotle bowl, I guess you could probably call it. Yum! I'm gonna let this cool down for a few minutes because it's very hot. Also had a thought, I could put this into a tortilla that I have. So I'm gonna do that right now. Burrito. That is actually fire. That is way better than I thought it was going to be. Cool. Well, I thought I'd bring you along to make some dinner with me. If you liked the video, please leave a like and comment down below. I will try to make more content like this. If you have a recipe you want me to attempt, I'm gonna do that as well. But yeah, this is actually quite good. Thanks for watching.